In this part, I shall tell you something about the synapse. Synapse is actually a small gap or space between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another. The neurons do not actually touch at the synapse. Synapse is a junction between neurons which uses neurotransmitters to start the impulse in the second neuron or an effector muscle or gland. The synapse ensures one-way transmission of impulses. Neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are actually the chemicals in the junction which allow impulses to be started in the second neuron. Then we have what is called the reflex arc as shown in the diagram. The blue line denotes the sensory neuron, the red line denotes the motor neuron, the green line denotes the interneuron. This is the structure of the reflex arc, wherein if a stimulus is given on the quadricep muscles, the stimulus is carried to the cell body of the sensory neuron in the dorsal root ganglion of the spinal cord. From there, via the sensory neuron, it goes into the grey matter. From the grey matter, the motor neuron the interneuron takes it to the motor neuron. From the motor neuron, the response is given to the hamstring muscle of the body. The components of a reflex arc are shown in this slide. A receptor which reacts to a stimulus. B, an afferent pathway or sensory neuron which conducts impulse to the sensory nervous system. The interneuron consists of one or more synapses in the central nervous system, which is mostly in the spine. Efferent pathway, which consists of a motor neuron which conducts impulses from central nervous system to effector. The effector muscle fiber, as in this case the hamstring muscle or glands, respond by contracting or secreting a product. Then there are spinal reflexes too, which are initiated and completed at the spinal cord level, which occur without the involvement of higher brain centers. Further, I will teach you in the next part.